Alright, candidate number 1, how are you tonight? Alright? Again, how are you tonight, candidate number 1? Sabi mo amang si candidate number 1. Alright? So, isa ang naabi sa imo karong gabi una candidate number 1.
My friend.
How about your boyfriend? Lately, your boyfriend is here. Who is the designer of your swimsuit tonight?
Ako lang.
Wow! Tignan nyo, ladies and gentlemen. On design, no? Gamit na isang... Last month, yung gigamit is bagol dito sa Purok Dos. No, I was a judge during atong gabi una. And tonight is kaang na po. So are you ready for your hashtag? Okay lang. So pick your hashtag. And your hashtag is